Hello friends, welcome to PMT2 channel. So dear friend, in this slide, in this Tobrashev video, we will discuss about Tobrashev packing, composition, some basic information of ceftazidime and tobramycin, and Tobrashev mode of action. So first, we will discuss about Tobrashev packing. So friend, Tobrashev is available in a market in a single pack, that is Tobrashev 1.12 gram. Now, composition of Tobrashev 1.12 gram. So again, Tobrashev also contain two vial, and first vial contain ceftazidime 1000 milligram and tobramycin 120 milligram, and second vial contain solvent 10 ml. Now, ceftazidime. Ceftazidime mode of action. Ceftazidime is a beta-lactam antibiotic. It means ceftazidime structure contains this beta-lactam ring, and it is belong to cephalosporin group, and in cephalosporin belong to third generation and inhibit cell wall synthesis. Now through this picture we try to understand that how ceftazidime inhibit cell wall synthesis. So here in this slide you can see that this ceftazidime act on cell wall particularly, and by acting on inhibiting cell wall synthesis, break the bacterial cell wall, and through the breaking the bacterial cell wall, cell lysis or kill the bacteria. Now tobramycin. So dear friend, tobramycin is belong to the another antibiotic class. Which class? Belong to aminoglycoside group of antibiotic. Now property of tobramycin. So particularly on aminoglycoside like tobramycin bind with 30S subunit of ribosome. So as you can see that ribosome uh, are uh, are present inside bacterial body, and the main function of ribosome is to do protein synthesis, so that this protein can be used by the bacteria for further requirement like further production of cell or repair of the cell. So that is a main function of the protein which is synthesized by ribosome. But here tobramycin bind with 30S subunit of ribosome and inhibit protein synthesis. And as now you can understand that bacterial body is made up of protein, or for the wear and tear, for the repair, bacteria required protein. But now tobramycin inhibit this protein synthesis, and thus tobramycin kill the bacteria by inhibiting protein synthesis. Now Tobrashev mode of action. So in this image you can see that ceftazidime inhibit bacterial cell wall synthesis and tobramycin inhibit protein synthesis. So here both antibiotics dually work at different target site. One is at cell wall synthesis and second one is protein synthesis. Different mode of action at different target site. Outside, inside. Cell inhibit cell wall synthesis, inhibit protein synthesis. So we can say that Tobrashev show dual mode of action at different target. And finally, Tobrashev kill the bacteria. So dear friend, in this video, we discuss about Tobrashev packing, composition, some basic information of ceftazidime and tobramycin, and tobrasef mode of action. Thank you very much for watching this video.